Hi, and thanks for logging on to the Daily Dvar, and here's a brand new halacha for you, and it's for Tuesday, the 11th day of November. Here we go. Today's halacha is this. You know that whenever you eat something, especially if it's bread or whatever, and you need to bench, the Birkat Hamazon, the benching, is supposed to be done in the same place where you ate. Okay? And you're not supposed to mess with that halacha. And, well, there is this one exception, and that is it doesn't have to be literally on the same exact chair. You can certainly move around a little bit. Certainly if you're within 4 amos, that means 4 cubits, which means about 8 feet. If you're within 8 feet of the spot, for sure it's okay. There is some leniency if you're still in the same room, even if the room is a little bit big, that's still considered okay. Where it gets really problematic is where you eat inside of your house and then you're over at a friend's house half an hour later and you feel like, oh, I didn't bench. Let me just save the benching in my friend's house. That's very problematic, okay? The real basic halacha for that would be go back to the place where you ate and bench there. That's how it's supposed to be. And also, while we're on this, I should just mention, sometimes it's too late. If you ate some meal and then you, like, more than 72 minutes later, you remember, oh my gosh, I forgot to bench, then it could actually be way too late, okay? So within 72 minutes after you ate, that's when you're supposed to bench. If you're wondering what the business with 72 minutes is, that's the idea of, like, the rabbis estimated that that's when you can still feel the food in your stomach and you still feel satisfied from what you ate, and then it's still appropriate to bench. But if it's like 2 hours later, then you're not even really feeling the satisfiedness from your food, and therefore the benching is kind of like, I don't know, like less meaningful. And everything that we just said about benching in the same place and all that, the same law applies for al hamichya. In other words, if you've eaten cake, so the al hamichya that you say afterwards also should be in the same general place. Thanks for logging on. Log on again tomorrow for more. Bye-bye.